In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy tutorial on how to upload a zip file to Google Drive. Uploading a zip file to Google Drive helps you store and share multiple files or folders in a single compressed format. So let's get started. First, make sure you are logged into your Google Drive. So I am here and I am logged in. So click on Home page. Once you are there, click the new button and at the top left corner of the screen. Next, click on File Upload from the drop down menu. Close your computer to find the zip file you want to upload. Select it and click Open. So I select this file on desktop and click on Open. Once the upload is complete, refresh your Google Drive page and you will see the zip file appear in your drive. So new folder, the zip file is appear on this drive. To learn how to open the zip file in Google Drive, check out the link on the screen. So that's it. That's how you upload a zip file to Google Drive. Thanks for watching. This is the tutorial how to upload zip file. Don't forget to subscribe.